Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make Pokemon in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that we're going to do is to combine water and wind to create a wave, then combine it with earth to create sand. After that, combine two earth to create mountain, then combine fire and sand to create glass, then combine it with mountain to create crystal, then combine it with earth to create gem. After that, combine earth and wind to create dust, then combine fire and gem to create ruby, then combine dust and fire to create ash, then finally combine ash and ruby to create Pokemon. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.